welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's none other than the number 111. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 111, as I said in the beginning. If you would like to see the previous 110, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And guys, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, as always, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about the kitchen of Louis III from 1882. That's one of the things that I absolutely love about this collection, is that there's so much historical information given, and you can really, like with these dollhouses from olden days, you can really get a sense of like how life was back then. And here we just have a bigger picture of his kitchen, which you can see there. And here it just marks out each individual piece, or I should say the main important pieces of the kitchen. Have all the molds there to make cakes and that sort of thing. And here, guys, it shows you how to put the little cardboard tiles that we got for the roof. I will show you them in just a moment, guys. But as I always say with this collection, once we unbox the entire collection, guys, I will be walking you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will be building the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it just shows some like small tables from the Victorian age. I really like this one. This one's nice. And guys, just so you know, we are coming up close to the end of this collection. And I honestly can't wait because this is the number 111 And there are 120 in total in this collection. And I cannot wait to have it completed so that I can finally start building the dollhouse with you guys. I'm pretty excited. But well, enough of that. Now it's time to see the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here is our new addition to the dollhouse. There are these little cardboard squares which will be for the tiling of the house, so for the roof. And you have to be very careful when you're moving these around because they come out very easily and you won't want to lose any of these because we're going to use them all for the roof of the house. And well guys, that's the end of that. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever we post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.